how to make a rose bear in our factory, how to turn a foam bear into a unique gift. You might think everything in a factory is machine-made, but we actually make some items by hand. All it takes is a foam bear, mini PE roses, ribbon, and a glue gun. What sets us apart is the inspection process we add after crafting, as shown at the end of this video, to ensure every gift is absolutely perfect. We carefully check for any residual glue, loose flowers, or other imperfections to ensure that our products are absolutely flawless.